Hey guys, I'm Daniel Lee and my team members Miles and Gerardo. We're going to be showing you Bugsley, a project management bug tracker website. So this is the login page. I'll start off with the register page here and we'll register someone. Uh, we'll just call them test. Register through their email, password, which also gets hashed in the backend. And then city, state, and their birthday. And when the registration is successful, it will automatically redirect to the login page. And so I'm just going to log in with my old account here. So right when you log in, we have the home dashboard where it shows charts showing progress. So right here, we'll have issues, issue priority levels by project bar chart. And then it has a list of your projects with the issue priority levels with low, medium, and high. You also have a pie chart with status levels by project, in progress, finished, and to start. And then we also have a status level by issues, open and closed. Those are there to just keep track of your issues and projects. Then we also have an issues table here where you are able to see your issues based on each project and who created them, and also the date created. And then we also have the issue priority level, and then we have these buttons where you're able to edit. So I'll just edit this one, calendar issue 1, and I'll close it. It gets updated. It tells you it got updated, and you can close it. You can also see the pie chart kind of changed based on the data that changed with it. We're also able to go into each project page, see some details, and do the same thing here, edit or delete. And then the same thing with the issues. You can also edit and delete here too.
All right, so one thing I want to touch up before we go ahead and start showing more of our project is our profile image. Users are able to go ahead and change their image. Even though we currently have one in place, you can always just go and update it to a new one that you like. So for this demonstration, we can definitely use one, but for all intents and purpose, we'll just leave it as it is. And now we'll go ahead to the create projects page. And here users can go ahead, give some information about their project, like a name and a description. So for this demonstration, we can definitely just do a quick one to demonstrate it. All right, and perfect. And once that has been done, we can go ahead do a status just to let others user know where if the a project is currently being worked on or is close to being finalized, as well as giving ourselves a position. So for this one, we'll just go ahead and pick ourselves as full stack. And once all the information has been inputted, you should see in the bottom of our projects list, you should see all the information that we have just put in. If, say, a user wants to make any changes or wants to go ahead and delete the project altogether, they're more than able to. But for this project, yeah, we can make minor changes, but for all intents and purpose, we'll just keep on going as it is. And now in the issues page, the first thing users should notice is once you click on your your current project, you should see that same project we just made. And from here, we can go ahead and start giving some information about the issues that the current user is currently experiencing. All right. And once that has all been done, we can go ahead and give a status. And this is essentially just to let others know whether this is open to edit or closed as being done. But being open, we'll go ahead and give it a priority. And this is too as well, just to let others know whether this issue that we're dealing with can be low, medium, or high. And now that we have everything on in, we can go ahead and submit it. And everything should appear in our homepage, but I'll go ahead and pass it along to Miles so he can go ahead and give a brief information about how collaborations work.
Awesome, yeah. So here on the collaborators page, once a project is created, you can view, it's similar to what the projects page was like with the cards. So similar layout. It'll show the projects with on each line for each different project. And as far as top to bottom from the card, it shows the user information. The icon stands for the admin. The amount of issues posted will show up on each card as well. The developer's position, whether it's full stack, front end, or back end, and then the position for the project itself. And if we want to search for a collaborator and then add them to a project, we can go to the top side right, enter in their username. In this case, it's test, select their position, add them from there, and good to go. And then, of course, it's they can choose whether or not they want to update their profile photo or keep it as their initials. And that's about it. And from there, we can log out, which will redirect us to the login page. And yeah. Thanks for watching and visiting Bugzly.